Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to knit very beautiful design. For this design I am going to knit multiple of 4 chain stitch. Skip 3 chain, 1 DC in each stitch. For the second row, knit 5 chain stitch, take the yarn 2 times on your hook, in the second stitch knit unfinished treble crochet, take the yarn 2 times on your hook, skip 3 stitch, in the fourth stitch knit 3 more unfinished treble crochet. There are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all 5 loops. Close the cluster, 3 chain stitch, one treble crochet in the same stitch where I have knitted 3 treble crochet. Leave it unfinished. Skip 3 stitch. In the fourth stitch knit 3 more unfinished triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. There are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all 5 loops. This is the pattern of the row. Repeat the pattern till the end of the row. Close the cluster and knit 3 more chain stitch. 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. Skip 3 chain, 3 treble crochet in the fourth stitch, There are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all 5 loops. Repeat the pattern till the end of the row. Knit 3 chain stitch. One treble crochet over the top of the cluster. Three chain stitch. In the same stitch, knit 3 unfinished treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. One more unfinished treble crochet in the next cluster of the previous row. So there are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all 5 loops. This is the repetition of the second row. Remember that the direction of 3 treble crochet should be on one side and the direction of 1 treble crochet should be on the other side. Repeat the pattern till the end of the row. This is row number 4. Knit 3 chain stitch. In the space of 4 chain stitch, knit 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th double crochet I'm going to knit here. In the next 4 chain space, knit 4 more double crochet. This is the repetition of first row. Repeat the pattern till the end of the row. For the next row, knit 3 chain stitch for double crochet, 1 for space. Skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 chain, skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. This is the pattern of the row. 1 chain, 1 double crochet. Repeat the pattern till the end of the row. For the next row, knit 3 chain stitch, count as 1 DC, 1 DC in 1 chain space, 1 DC in the next stitch, 1 DC in 1 chain space, 1 DC in next stitch, 1 DC in 1 chain space. Repeat the pattern till the end of the row. Thanks for watching.